History was in the air as Wales women's football squad departed from Cardiff Airport bound for a week-long training camp in Portugal ahead of their first ever appearance at a major tournament, UEFA Women's Euros 2025. Excitement and pride filled the terminal as hundreds of fans gathered to wave off the 23-player squad who clinched their place in Switzerland following a dramatic playoff win over Ireland. Wales face a daunting Group D, drawn with the Netherlands, France and reigning European champions England. Their first match kicks off against the Netherlands in Lucerne on July 5th, followed by games against France in St Gallen on July 9th and England on July 13th. Days earlier, head coach Rhian Wilkinson revealed her squad atop Snowdonia, utilising the symbolic climb to mirror the team's journey. Speaking at the airport, veteran midfielder Jess Fishlock, Wales's all-time highest caps and leading goal scorer, said, "This is the best moment of my career. I just can't wait to get there." Leicester City striker Hannah Kane, swept up by the reception, added, "It's unreal. We just want to win as many games as possible and have the best time ever." Wilkinson's squad blends youth and experience. 7 players with under 20 caps, plus 4 Centurions: Jess Fishlock, captain Angara James, Sophie Ingle and Hayley Ladd. Notably, 33-year-old midfielder Sophie Ingle made the squad despite suffering an ACL injury in September and missing most of the season. Wilkinson emphasised that Ingle is a position where she can contribute. Ranked 31st in FIFA and labelled underdogs, Wilkinson has fostered a no-excuses culture and framed this tournament as our Everest, a metaphor echoed in the squad's mountaintop announcement. She acknowledges the worst part of the dream job was leaving capable players out, but believes the mix of youth, grit and leadership can help Wales defy the odds in the summer.